In today's video, I'm going to attempt to start a YouTube channel using only AI. My goal is to automate the entire creative process, from script writing to visuals and voiceovers. I stumbled upon this idea while browsing YouTube for channel automation inspiration. I discovered a successful channel that shares short motivational stories. After conducting some research, I found that according to Social Blade's data, this channel earns approximately $366 to $5.90 in monthly income, as displayed on your screen. In reality, by using affiliate marketing, the income should be way higher. Let's give it a try. Alright, I've created the channel. Now let's work on the branding. I'll begin by seeking inspiration by generating 20 potential YouTube channel names. There are numerous options to choose from, such as Fable Factory. I quite like that one. Next, we need a profile picture. I'll make use of Leonardo.ai, which provides free, open-source AI-generated artwork, to design a profile picture featuring a motivated cartoon Shaolin monk reading a book. For the banner, I'll simply use our profile picture and Canva to craft one and add some tags. The entire channel branding process will be carried out by AI. Now, in the next step, the real challenge lies in producing the videos. To start, it's crucial to identify a specific target audience. In my case, I aim to target individuals who spend excessive time on social media and need motivation to finally kickstart their long-awaited side hustle. So, I turned to ChatGPT and asked it to provide me with short story ideas for someone who procrastinates on social media and lacks motivation to begin starting their own business. I want the story to inspire them and encourage them to start creating their business's strategy. As you can see, ChatGPT will provide some ideas, like the power of community story. It revolves around a young man who spends excessive time scrolling through social media while neglecting his desires to start a side hustle. This idea seems interesting, and it can be a great starting point. Now that we have a story idea, I'll ask ChatGPT to write a short story based on it. Once it's finished writing, all I have to do is copy the story. The next step is creating the voiceover. I'll head over to 11 Labs, a free tool that utilizes advanced AI technology to generate voices that sound like real people. I'll paste the story created by ChatGPT and select the desired voice.
In the bustling city of Metropolis, Alex found themselves trapped in a cycle of social media addiction. Days turned into nights as they mindlessly scrolled through endless feeds, comparing themselves to others and feeling isolated from the world around them.
Great, you've selected the voice. Click on the button to download the audio. Once the download is complete, create a free account on victory.ai, which creates the subtitles for us. For this, choose Edit Videos Using Text. Upload the audio you just downloaded from 11 Labs and click on Proceed. It may take a little while. Click on Customize Video. Notice that the AI has already generated the subtitles. Now click on Visuals and search for the desired scenes for your video. You can ask Leonardo.ai to create an illustration of a boy who is starting his side hustle from his room in his parents' home. Copy the image and paste it into the editor. After selecting your scenes, click on Generate Video. Let's compare our video creation with the video from the previously shown channel.
Once upon a time, there was a very lazy man in a village. He would keep trying to get food, without doing any hard work. One morning, while wandering around the countryside, he decided to steal some apples to eat.
In the bustling city of Metropolis, Alex found themselves trapped in a cycle of social media addiction. Days turned into nights as they mindlessly scrolled through endless feeds, comparing themselves to others and feeling isolated from the world around them.
All right. I believe our video creation is on point. Now we need to create a thumbnail for the video. For that, we'll head to Canva. I'll provide all the necessary links in the video description. Simply select the YouTube thumbnail option, upload your chosen image, and enhance it with engaging text to make it stand out. Take your time to design a visually appealing thumbnail that captures attention. Once you're satisfied with the result, click on Share and proceed to download the thumbnail. To upload the video, we'll need a title and description. Copy and paste the story into ChatGPT and ask it to generate the title and description. There we go. We created this video completely by using AI tools. The last step is to upload our video. Let's go to our channel, click on Upload, paste the title and description, upload the thumbnail, and publish the video. We made it, congratulations. Your video is uploaded and your channel is ready. I hope you've gained valuable insights from this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.